at an early 18th century map of the Balkans, at this point in time known as Turkey in Europe. It contains at the lower right two prospect views relating to Hungary. The condition of the map, as you see, is a nice strong dark impression. When we flip it over, we notice that there is a tissue paper repair done along this top edge, which is invisible almost from the back and front. Then there is a strip of old paper placed, adhered here across the bottom as a backing for this slightly toned edge, and to close appears a couple just short little splits here. This margin is as issued. It was originally issued folded, and it's done by Herman Moll around 1725 or so, and it's currently available online from me, Brian DeMambro.